back to my channel. Myself Niharika, and in this video we are going to do a makeup tutorial. You must have seen the look in thumbnail also in the starting of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's tie our hairs. My hairs are tied. So we'll start our makeup by washing our face. So I have used this Amway Artistry gel cleanser. So I have washed my face prior to this video. So let's get to the next step. We have to use the primer to protect our skin from makeup, which really harms our skin so badly. So I'm going to use this Lotus primer. So yeah. So our next step will be using foundation. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is 128. In starting, I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Don't forget your ears. Now I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. So now I'm going to do contouring. I'm using the creamy contour base. So I'm not blending it right now. Let's get to our eye makeup and then we will do our face makeup. So starting with eye base, I'm going to use the same foundation. Right now I'm taking this foundation for my lower eye. So now let's set the foundation. So I'm leaving it so. Let's come to the real eye makeup look. So I'm going to use the black one in the outer corner. So I'm going to do the same on the other eye. So yeah, this seems same. So let's get to our next color. So I'm going to use orangish brown. So let's mix it, the orange one and the brown one. Next step is to put a liner. Before that, let's just put a Vaseline on our lips because our makeup is just going to end. This step will moisturize your lips. You can also apply any cream or some lip balm. So let's apply liner. So now we will do the same look on our lower lash line. I'm going to do black on the outer crease. Let's take the thinner brush. So now do the orangish brown in the inner corner of the lower lash line. Also I'll mix the white in it. Now I'm going to apply shimmer over the eyelid. So my eye look is almost completed. So let's get to the face now. Now we need to blend this out. Now let's do the contouring over the nose. I have loaded my brush with contour. Now we are going to bronze our contoured part. So I'm going to use the blush brush. I'm going to squeeze it and load it with the bronzer and apply it. Same on the other side. So I have bronzed my contoured part. Now I'll be bronzing my nose contour. So I'll be using this brush. And yeah, I forgot to tell, I'm using the MAC bronzer. Yeah, so we are done with our bronzer part. Now we are going to do the blush part. I'm going to use this Lakme face sheer. Let's do it. So I'm going to add a little bit pink blush over it. So our next step is highlighter, and I'm going to use the same brush which I used on the nose. So I'm just removing the bronzer from it. Let's do the highlighter part. Yeah, I'm done with my highlighter too. So the final step, not the final, is mascara. That is, I'm going to use Lakme's Iconic Curling Mascara. So I'm done with my mascara. So our next step is eyebrows. I forgot the eyebrows. Basically I do eyebrows before my eye makeup. So let's do the eyebrow. Yeah, so my eyebrows are also done. So now we are only left with our lipstick and makeup fixer. So let's go to the lipstick. I'm using the Hillary Road lipstick. This is so matte lipstick, it dries my lips. So I'm going to mix two lipsticks. Right now it is creamy, but later on, like after 2-3 minutes, it will dry so badly. So I'm going to use this NYX Powder Puff Lippy lipstick. This is basically lip cream. Yeah, I'm done with my lipstick. So now let's just quickly apply the fixing spray. I'm using Derma's fixing spray. Let's blend it now with the blush brush. Firstly, I'm blending the bronzed parts so that my bronzer and highlighter don't mix. So right now I'm blending the highlighter part. Yeah. So guys, my look is completed and this is the final look. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.